This is Kim Guzman, and I'm going to be demonstrating the short row technique in the beginner shawl from issue 5 of Crochet 123 magazine. You're going to start off with a chain, and then you're going to do a foundation row of single crochet, chain 3, skip 3, single crochet. Very simple, and you just do that all the way across the chain. Now I'm going to start with the next row, which will be your first short row. Of course, this is just a short little swatch. The actual shawl has a lot more stitches to it, and it's also in a finer weight. This is a larger weight, just so that it's easier to see on camera. Now I'm going to turn, and I'm going to single crochet into the first single crochet. Now I'm just going to chain 3, and then I'm going to stitch into the next single crochet. This is very simple, beginner pattern. It's one of those really nice patterns that's very simple to do, but looks really fantastic when finished. And then single crochet, and chain 3, and single crochet. Now I'm going to continue to do this all the way across and as specified in the pattern until I get to the last chain 3 space. Now here I am getting close to the end, so as the pattern states, I am going to make a single crochet here, and then it says to leave the remaining stitches unworked. This is the chain 3 and the final single crochet, and I'm going to leave those unworked. That is a short row. All you do is the row is shorter. You just leave those alone. Ignore them completely. Turn and begin doing the same thing you did on the prior row. And you're going to stitch all the way across until you get to the last chain 3 space, and then you're going to turn once again, leaving those stitches unworked. Now a short row, there's nothing to be scared of. You're just making shorter rows each time, and this only means that each row is going to take you less time, and that is always a good thing. I'm going to go over here and see I'm almost finished. Chain 3. Here I am, last one, and again I'm going to leave that chain 3 space unworked. I'm just going to turn and continue going until I get to the number of rows the pattern indicates. Now this is what your short rows will look like. Of course, this again is a smaller piece, and it will obviously have a lot more rows here, and you won't end with just 2 chain 3 spaces. You'll actually have more than that. But now I'm going to demonstrate what to do with these stair steps you have on the side where you left the spaces. And all you do is start the row the same as before, single crochet, chain 3, I'm going to single crochet again, and this time you're not going to turn and leave the remaining stitches unworked. You're going to work those. 3, now single crochet here. Now you're going to start working into the stair steps here. So chain 3, 2, 3, and just work into the single crochet that you left. Very easy. Chain 3, and again, and you're going to do that all the way down the side edge there. When you get finished, you're going to chain 1, and you're going to start back the other direction. You're going to chain 1 and single crochet here, 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 and you're going to continue, and then you will work on the other side. Once you have this base of the shawl complete, you'll be working shells into the chain 3 spaces. Just follow the pattern until you have the number of rows that you need, and the next video I'll be demonstrating how to work a shell into the chain space here.